Hey everybody, it's Mark again. I hope everybody's having a great day. But I just want to show you that you do not need the torsion, the Horolavar suspension um, tool to adjust the suspension. Here I have a pair of forceps that work just fine. The purpose behind the tool is so you can make minute adjustments out here. If you try to make minute adjustments up here, you end up making bigger adjustments than what you really think. But I just wanted to share this with you. The Horolavar tool is about $29. These forceps cost me about $6 or $7 at Harbor Freight, but you can get them all over the place. I love these things. It helps me a lot repairing clocks. But this is a little Kern anniversary clock. It has this, it's a carriage style anniversary clock. It has this little section right here that you put down on it, and then these two levers lock it into place on these posts on each side. Sometimes these posts are missing, but in this particular case it has both posts. So it's a pretty cool little clock. I was wanting to play around with it while my buddy Ron is working on a Welby 8-day cuckoo clock that has a Herbert Hur movement in it. He's taken that thing apart, and we have a couple bushings that we have to put in it. And Ron's going to have fun doing that, aren't you, Ron?
You bet.
Anyway, you could use these forceps to adjust the suspension block. What you do is you loosen this top screw. You can put the forceps on first, then loosen this top screw and make minor adjustments as you're adjusting the pendulum, which I need to do as soon as I hang up this camera. So hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it's free to do so. And may God bless you.